Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I stretch and fluff my wash and go. So I'm going to start by just taking a couple of hair ties and I'm going to section my hair. Okay, so now that my hair is all sectioned off, I left the back section out because I always start from the back and work my way to the front so I can set a good length that I want. So to achieve this, all I need is my blow dryer. I use this attachment just so the heat is nice and concentrated, and I'm going to use it to stretch my roots. So all I do is take a section, I'm going to pull on it gently, keyword is gently, and I'm going to cover the end because I don't want to disrupt the curls on the end at all. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm just going to blow out the roots. And then after I have blown that section out, if there's any curls that are just like a little too clumped for my liking, I just go ahead and separate them. I don't really care too much about frizz or anything like that. Frizz is just volume in disguise. So I'm going to separate my hair for any really big pieces. And you can actually see how like this side is touching my shoulders, whereas this side isn't touching my shoulder. So you can already see, it doesn't make a huge difference, but it'll make more of a difference in the front and give me a really pretty shape when I get there. So I'm going to go ahead and fluff out the rest of my hair and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. So I made it to the top, which is a very important section. So you don't want to like ruin all the curl that's on top of your head. So what I tend to do is I'll stretch this part, I'll pull it, but I'll only blow dry the underside of it. And then that way my top still stays nice and defined, and then under it still gets the length that I want. Okay, so my first side of my head is done, and you can just go ahead and see it's so much longer, it's so much more fluffy, it has so much more movement than before, and this is how I like to rock my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I love my hair, okay? The shrunken wash and go is cute, like it's adorable, but like this, when you can see my length, you can see how thick my hair is, and this usually takes me about 15 to 20 minutes, and again, I do this every other day. In the morning to leave, and I get these results. My hair is still nice and defined, as you can see right in front of my face. I have a lot more movement, I have a lot more volume. It's just everything I could ever want out of my wash and go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. It would mean a lot to me. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.